Welcome back to the second half of our online story time of Gingerbread Mouse. The sign language sign I'm going to teach you today is cookie. Put your non-dominant hand, you put it out flat, you make a C with your other hand, and then you twist it like you're making a cookie shape. Cookie. Cookie. Kids love this sign. So I'm going to talk to you about nonfiction books that we have in the library. Books about baking, and specifically kids baking. So it's in the true section, the nonfiction, and the nonfiction books have a number, a Dewey number it's called. The number for cooking and baking is 641. 641.5 is cooking, and baking is 641.8. This one is about making Christmas treats, and we have a book just about baking cookies. This is Kids Bake, and you see muffins on the cover, and another one, Children's Baking, and there's cookies. This year, there were tons of baking and cooking books published, and it made it great for the pandemic because children were home with their families for so long, and it's a great learning experience to cook and bake with your children because they're learning reading, directions, science, and sometimes when things don't work out, you can explain what went wrong. I forget ingredients sometimes when I bake. Let me go now to our crafts. We're going to make a gingerbread house and a little gingerbread boy or girl. This child who made this craft a few years ago used the little stickers. Oops, he lost his eye. That's okay, he's sleeping. It's a cute little gingerbread house. So you're going to get the template for the gingerbread person, the gingerbread house, and then we have coloring sheets. I have a little gingerbread boy and girl with a Christmas star. And this is from Jan Brett, and I'll talk about her site later, but here's a gingerbread boy with all sorts of holiday cookies. And last, we have a Christmas word search for the older children. Now I'd like to talk to you a little bit about our links. They're all related to gingerbread. The first thing is 5 things you didn't know about gingerbread. Our second link is healthy gingerbread cookies so you don't have to feel guilty about baking. The third link is, like I said, Jan Brett. She illustrates so many books, and she did the Gingerbread Christmas and the Gingerbread Baby back here. And with each of her books, she does artwork she puts online for children to color, and she encourages them to do their own artwork. Then next we have a site for no-bake gingerbread houses for the younger children. And then for the older kids, gingerbread house ideas, so different ideas of how to decorate. So I hope you have time this holiday season to be baking with your family and share it with others. Merry Christmas, and thank you for listening.